It's subtle sex, it's a low-key flex. Because it's so cute. I think I would want another one. Well, if we're wanting, want my Kelly or my Birkin, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic chic shithead, an Hermès whore. And today, we're going to be doing a little video. Today, we're going to be doing a video of my favorite new little munchkin. My favorite's child right now. Sorry. My favorite little munchkin. Lindy, 20, in beige de Weimar with palladium hardware in Swift. Beige de Weimar, palladium hardware in Swift. So I'm gonna do a little Monday series, because you know I love my series, and you know I love my alliteration. So a Lindy Lundy series. A Lindy series. Lindy series. There'll probably be like 2 or 3. Basically like what fits, ways to wear it, what I like, what I don't like, pros and cons, all that. I could make it all one video, but I'm gonna make a few. So, if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Today, we're gonna be doing what I like, what I don't like. Pros and cons of this little munchkin. This is the Lindy 20 in beige de Weimar with palladium hardware in Swift. I love it. It's like, it's like sexy, it's subtle, it's sexy subtle flex. It's subtle sex, it's a low-key flex. Get it? It's subtle sex, it's a low-key flex. It's subtle sex, it's a low-key flex. Like, first of all, it's so cute because you can wear it so many different ways with these little... I just like this Real Monsters look. It reminds me of that character from Real Monsters. Obviously, you can close it up, but it's like so casual, it's squishy, kind of do like this kind of feel. I obviously put this on because I'm so protective of my things and I want to like preserve them. So the strap is really what you touch the most, and then the strap is what you touch the most. And then the sangles are the next thing you touch the most, and kind of like that. It fits a lot, it's pretty cute. So pros, so cute. If you know, you know. It looks really good on. It feels so buttery soft, and like, it's a beautiful neutral. It's tiny, but fits a lot, like I said. It has a cool look that doesn't look like every other bag. It's not as mainstream yet, I don't think, although I do see more people having it, but I don't think it's that mainstream. It's comfy, you can wear a crossbody. Yeah, it's just so, and it kind of like gives the same air of, I think it gives the same, like, if you're looking for that clout or that like, that status, I guess, that a Birkin or Kelly gives. I feel like this gives it too, because it's not a cheap bag. It's a very hard to get bag. It's not a quota bag, but it's very, very hard to get. In my experience and opinion, maybe other people can get it very easily, but I felt very lucky when I got this, and I don't see many people with it. That's another pro. It's hard to get. It's expensive, but like, it's expensive for bags and but not expensive for Hermès, but it's expensive for bags. But it does. I feel like it does share that same clout that the Constance or like a Kelly does. A mini Kelly does. It fits a lot more. You can wear it a bunch of different ways. You can wear it over the shoulder, you can wear a crossbody, you can just wear it in your hands. You can tuck the strap in. The strap doesn't come off, but you can tuck it in. Plus these little thingies, you can wear a bunch of different ways. You can tuck them inside, like tuck these inside if you don't want to see them. Kind of just wear it like that. Kind of look like that. Or you can wear it fully closed. It does have that Kelly kind of look too when it's fully closed. It's like wide. It's got pockets. Pro, it's got 4 pockets. 2 on the inside, 2 on the outside. Cons, or at least cons, for me, the strap doesn't come off. Kind of don't like that. And it's not adjustable, right? It's just one size. Palladium hardware, always a con for me, but I make it work. Biggest con for me is that it's Swift. So it's like very delicate. I'm really always worried about scratching it. I literally, every time I take it out, I stare at it for like 30 minutes to an hour after. Not that long, but I stare at it and I'm like, did anything happen anywhere? Are we good? Is everybody still in shape and perfect? Are there any scratches? It does get scratched really easily. And the inside too, it's like I have to have a little thing inside to make sure that the inside's not too bad. Because and then that's just me, but now I'm like looking at it like that. Is that not, what is that? It's very soft. It's just, the Swift is the biggest con for me, I think. Oh, another pro, it's got feet. Protect the bottom. It's got little feet. Comes with the raincoat. It's like a level up, right? It comes with the raincoat. It comes with the nicer box and dust bag. I don't know. This is a pretty short video. But I'll do ways to wear it, and I'll do ways to wear it next, and then I'll do what fits inside right after. Okay? Any other cons? I think it's just the cutest little... I guess a con is that it is a lot of work to take it on and off. To put things in and out if you're closing it all the way, because you gotta do the whole thing. Then it's just like so... And it feels a lot. So overall, I love her, but because she's so delicate, she's a delicate girl, you gotta be careful, you gotta take care of her. I don't think I'll wear her all the time. I like that I've been wearing her a little bit, and I like the way it looks when I wear her, and I like the whole feel. But I don't think I want to wear her all the time. I think she'll be more of like a special occasion girl because I don't want to get her damaged because it's so cute. I think I would want another one. Well, obviously, well, if we're want my Kelly or my Birkin, but I think that I would want gold hardware and like Clemence or Togo in like a black, I think, next. But yeah, she's great. She's a beauty, and she's a beauty, and like she's good for, you know, special occasions. But she's probably just gonna kind of sit and chill in my closet or in my safe or at one of my other locations. I gotta spread my bags out because I can't keep all of them in one place because it's like too much. I'm like really worried. So I have them in different places. Different homes for my bags, so she might go live at a different home, so I just can go and look at her sometimes and not pull for her every day because I don't want to ruin her. Not yet. Maybe in a couple of years. Maybe if I care less. Maybe one day when I care less. But for now, she's staying safely in the vault. For a little bit. Look at her, she's so cute. And she twirls so fun. That's another pro. Twirling. Gotta love the twirling. Okay. That's all I got. It's short and sweet. Like this bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. Please consider subscribing if you like this video. If you like my content, if you like my channel in general, please consider subscribing. If you like it, please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. You know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you. Bye.